In front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G50, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer and make sure that you are in keypad, because this is the area in which we will be entering all of the codes. And let's start with the first one, which is *#07#. And as you can see, this is for regulatory information, so if you'd like to check it, smoothly provide this code. And then tap on the screen, like in any place of screen, to switch it off. Then another code that you can use, pretty similar, it's *06#. And this one will provide you with device information. So whenever you would like to check email number, serial number, maybe the second email number, smoothly enter this code and it will be all displayed right in front of you, and then click on OK to close it. Another code that you can use here is *#2486###. And here we've got the test mode. Let me just give only the permissions, and you can smoothly reach menu mode, sequence mode, assembly mode, and double MI test. So if you click here, you will be rebooted to factory mode, because this is the only area where you can activate it. Let me enter this code again to show you the rest. Then you can go to model assembly test if you'd like to test your device, sequence test, or menu mode. And here you can check some particular option, for example, system time, right here, version of your device, also vibrator, display, and so on. So let me display test patterns. This is it. You can go back then. This is how you can test your device to check if it's working properly. Let me pick two more. Okay, so it's working perfectly. And this is it. So this is how you can use this test mode. Another code that you can input here is *#225###. And this one is for the all calendar details. So whenever you would like to check some important date, event, birthday celebrations, I don't know, maybe business meeting, which is included in your calendar, you can enter this code, and here you will have all info displayed, so from all calendars. And that would be all for this one. Another code that you can use is *#426###. And here we've got the diagnostic mode performed by Google, where you can read events and also status. However, if you'd like to explore it more, if that's not sufficient for you, just tap on more and click on advanced view, and here you will be able to find way more details. So actually that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.